Hey everybody, welcome to Your Beautiful Table, a YouTube channel and a website all about how to help you make your table beautiful. Today I've got a candle review of the pumpkin clove candle from Bath & Body Works, so stay tuned. Thanks everybody for coming on back. If you like content about how to make your home and your tables beautiful, consider subscribing to this channel because we talk about china, table linens, candles, floral arrangements, flowers, table linens. I think I might have said that, but all kinds of things to just make your tables beautiful. We're talking about dining tables, end tables, side tables, just any tablescape, you got it. So one of the important parts about a tablescape and really making a room feel comfortable are candles. And so I think that they add a lot to the ambiance of a room, and scented candles are like just great. So today I've got a candle review. I'm gonna hold it up here. So I'm trying to like work on different places in my home to record. Folks are downstairs. I have a quiet spot here in the bedroom. I'm sort of sitting in my throne chair, which is a little bit of a French influence. It's totally pretentious with this fabric. And then I've got a brass sort of Williamsburg type hurricane behind me, and then a map of the United States that is a embroidered map, which is just great. It's a one of the antique store kind of finds. But anyway, we're talking about this candle, and I'm sort of holding it awkwardly because I want to be sure that you all can see it. So let me bring it up to you so you can see what it looks like. So this pumpkin clove candle has an orange golden label here. It's got a sunset scene, or sort of a fall scene through the trees. Just a lovely look. And then it has sort of I would call it like burnt orange wax that's here. It has the chrome label here on the chrome lid. You can see my fingerprints there with Bath & Body Works that's embossed. It's a silicone gasket lid. This is a traditional 3-wick candle, 14.5 ounces from Bath & Body Works. You can see the 3 wicks there. And the color of the wax is, like I said, sort of a toasted pumpkin color. And so this wax actually discolored a little bit. Hopefully you can see that in the light. You can see where the wax pool, most recent wax pool, is a little bit darker than the original wax, but it's not too bad. I've seen some that are a lot worse. The candle has burned down pretty well. You can see there's not a lot of residue. And one of the things that's great is there's not a lot of smoke or soot, hardly at all, on the sides of this candle. So really a good performer. Take a note of those robust wicks there. The wicks have been really great on this candle. So I've enjoyed lighting this candle and burning it because the wicks have done so well. So not a lot of smoke or soot. This candle has a fantastic fragrance that smells the same when it's burning as it does on cold. Here it has a little bit of a scent bubble, and I can smell it just sitting nearby it on cold. When it is lit, it has probably like an 8 or 9 fragrance intensity or throw. It definitely is room filling, and it wafts into other rooms. And so I just feel like this is a great value. I've had a super experience. Now, for me personally, I don't love this particular label, but I think this pumpkin clove fragrance comes in a variety of different labels. I just happened to grab this one when they were on sale a little bit earlier this year. I did a haul way early in the fall and got this candle. Let me read to you the fragrance notes on this candle. Clove buds, of course, is like the first one here. Ground cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, fresh pumpkin with essential oils. So earlier this fall, I reviewed this sweet cinnamon pumpkin candle, and what I noted was that candle didn't have really any pumpkin fragrance. This candle has pumpkin fragrance, and it is like like a pumpkin pie candle in it that has clove and nutmeg without any of the sweetness. So the pumpkin patch candle that we talked about from Scentworks was like a pumpkin spice latte. We've looked at other candles from Bath & Body Works that are more like pumpkin pie with a sweet vanilla, those kinds of fragrances. This is more like pumpkin spice, and but with pumpkin. So this connected more toward the Scentworks pumpkin spice candle that I really enjoyed than like the Scentworks pumpkin patch candle. So definitely a spicy pumpkin fragrance. Wonderful on cold. You get the pumpkin, you get the spice. And then the burn quality has just been phenomenal. So nice dancing flames. The wicks haven't been puny. Overall, this is like for a Bath and Body Works candle, this is a 10. Now remember, these candles are not high price candles. They're totally affordable. And so especially now, I think it's buy two, get two or something. They're always running a special. So be sure to check it out. And get your candles not for full price. So overall, I think this candle is really great. It's one that you can have out all during the fall, even into Thanksgiving and maybe a little bit after Thanksgiving if you want to. It's definitely not one that will take you into holiday season, so anything past Thanksgiving, but it's one that I would buy again if the pumpkin clove candle comes back and stays in in the repertoire of Bath and Body Works. It's definitely one that I would pick up in future years. This one has been such a great performer this year. Hey, thanks everybody for watching Your Beautiful Table. If you like candle reviews, this kind of content, consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing. Much appreciated. See you next time.